Hi everyone, welcome to Affordably Crafty. Today I am going to be doing Dye Discovery 5 using this Pure Kick energy drink mix blood orange flavor that I found at the Dollar Tree. And I'm going to be using 2 of these single serve packets, which is equivalent to 6 grams. Welcome to my channel if you're new. Please subscribe, like, and comment down below if you've used this before to dye yarn. My kitchen smells great. It smells like orange, so that's awesome. So I'm going to be dyeing my second skein of yarn from my Knitcrate. I'm using this fingering merino nylon blend, 100 grams. I use the whole thing. So I'm hoping that this breaks because it has as an ingredient red 40, yellow 6, and blue 1. And when I put this in, to put it in this first, there was like little strands of blue that came out. So this should be interesting. So I'm going to put this in the dye pot that's ready to go. This is the same dye pot that I just used. Put that in. Oh, it's like super orangey. Do I want to put more in? I guess I can always just over dye if I have to. Okay. Sorry about the mess. I've been dyeing a lot today. But seriously, why bother cleaning up until you're done? Okay. We're gonna start dipping. I hope it breaks. We'll see. I don't know if it's gonna break. It's a pretty color, regardless. Again, sorry for the messy stove. This is the first time I've used these. I've only previously, food dye-wise, done some Gatorade speckling. Outside of that, I've done some natural dyeing. The speckling came out really cool. Water's starting to clear, so this is not going to break. That's okay. It's still going to look pretty cool. Definitely more pinky than I thought it was going to be. I'm going to put this in before it clears. So, it's in there. You can see it's kind of like a orangey pink color, which I kind of wasn't expecting. I might dye this again because I don't love, but yeah, this is almost clear. I'm gonna, oh darn, I picked that up by the wrong thing again. Let's see, let me get the tongs. Yeah, I'm gonna put another packet in here. So let me get that set up and I'll be back. Dye Discovery 5. So this is ready to be washed. And it is a really pretty deep salmon color on the bottom. And up here it gets a little bit more pinky. Not really what I thought was gonna come out of that. But it's still pretty nonetheless, even though I'm not a big pink fan. But I'm sure someone will love something made out of this. So I am going to wash this with some soap and hang it up, well, wash it with soap, and then I'm going to put it through ye old salad spinner, and then I will hang it up to dry. And we'll be back with this yarn when it's all dried. Okay, see you in a little bit. So here's the finish, dried and hanked up yarn. This is the one that I made with the blood orange energy drink mix, and I dyed it twice. The first time it came out really baby pink and I really did not like that. Now it's more of a salmon color, which I think is showing up pretty true here. I think it came out pretty good. This is not my favorite color. I think I like how the blue one came out better. But this is my other Knitcrate yarn for the month of May. So I hope you guys like this. I do like how there's all different, like this is really light and then it goes down to like a dark salmon color here. Oh, you can't see my finger. Like a dark salmon color here, then like a pinky color, and then like a pale color. I think that it came out good. I like it much better than the first time I dyed it. The colors were not dark enough for my taste. But I am a little disappointed that it didn't break, because when I first poured the pouch in, there was blue strands in it. So, oh well, I'll try something else. But this was a good learning experience. Just because a dye says it has 2 different kinds in it, like a red or a blue or a yellow mix, does not mean it's going to break. So if you enjoy what you've seen and you want to see some more, please subscribe and hit the like button. Until next time, bye guys!